What's going on, everyone? Today I have a quick video for you, but it's an important one because we're going to be talking about the FHA loan and the conventional loan. And we're going to be looking at some differences that you should consider when choosing one of these, because whichever one you choose, you could have it for the next 30 years, right? If you decide to buy a home. So we're going to get started right away with the FHA loan. And the FHA loan is a government insured loan, right? Compared to the conventional loan that is insured by a private lender. Now we're going to look at some of the differences right here between the two of them, starting off with the down payment. With the down payment for the FHA loan, it can be as low as 3.5%. Compare that to conventional loan where it can be as low as 3%. Now these numbers could vary depending on your situation. For example, if you have a credit score that is low, right, then in that case the lender may ask you to put down a higher down payment because you have a low credit score. So it's really going to depend on your situation, and it's important to know that these numbers could change. For the credit score for FHA, you need at least a 580 credit score to qualify. For conventional loans, you need at least a 620 credit score. Now one key thing to note right here is that let's say you have a credit score of 600, right? So if you were to choose the conventional loan and if that was the only option, then you wouldn't be able to buy a home, right? Because you wouldn't qualify since you need at least a 620. Now compare that to the FHA loan. Even if you have a 600 credit score, well, you still have that opportunity, right? Because you only need a 580 credit score or higher to qualify. So that's one key thing to know right there, that's one benefit of the FHA loan, that even with a low credit score, you can still qualify for it. Now moving on to the mortgage insurance premium. For FHA, we have mortgage insurance premium. For conventional loan, we have private mortgage insurance. So they have a little bit of a slightly different name, but they both talk about mortgage insurance. Right now, one key thing to note here though is that for FHA, you're going to be making this payment of mortgage insurance for the life of the loan, right? So it never goes away. For the conventional loan, if you make a down payment of less than 20%, then you will pay that mortgage insurance. However, the difference with this one is that once you reach a loan to value of 80-20, you can request the lender to remove that payment from your loan. Right, so let's say for example you buy a home that is worth $100,000, right? Now throughout the years, let's say you continue making your payments and you pay down 20% of that loan. So you only have 80% remaining of that loan that you need to pay, right? So that's what we call 80-20. Once you reach that point, you can request to your lender to remove that payment from your loan. Now that was just some quick information on the two loans and some differences, but there is so much more to it, so that's why I do recommend talking with your agent or lender to get more information on your specific situation, right? Now if you do have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.